brightening, whitening, lightening. There's a huge difference between the four of them. Now, if you have white dots, green veins, dark spots on your legs, symptoms that you are noticing as a deterrent to you not knowing the difference between these four different things. Welcome to my pajamas party. So the first thing we need to do today is to differentiate between whitening, bleaching, brightening. I know it's a lot of in, but they are all just skin practices follow in order to get the better version of our skin's complexion and tone. If you go about it the safe way, your skin is going to thank you as you grow and as your skin starts to lose its collagen, elastin, and natural youthfulness. So for those who don't know, number one side effect of bleaching, and that makes it stand out, is that it causes the skin to lose its natural protein. Now, lightening is closely related to whitening. So if you notice that instead of your skin having a natural bright complexion to it, you are noticing that your skin is looking pinkish, reddish, whitish. So that means as your DNA, as your body, as your skin cells, melanocytes are making more melanin, so whitening or lightening aims cells in particular and causes it to reduce the production that it would normally make on its own. So ingredients includes hydroquinone, glutathione, sim white, and a lot of other skin lightening powder. Last one is skin brightening, and this is the process of getting your skin to have a shiny, a better radiance to your natural complexion. Remember, brightening is the process of making your skin have a more appealing shine to it. It's not attempting to inhibit melanin production or stop it completely. No, always tell you the ingredients of a particular skincare product does not lie. So whenever you see on any product that it has hydroquinone, you will be able to tell. Now, there's a huge difference between trying to fade hyperpigmentation, which is the next thing that I want to talk about. Hyperpigmentation products that target skin concerns like this should directly target the spot. Now, some people even use these acids, but they are not using skin moisturizing skincare products alongside with this post-inflammatory that's PIH products in the routine. But they only use brightening products. They don't add hyaluronic acid to their skincare with essences, toners, good moisturizer, and you jump straight into azelaic acid, tranexamic acid. There is no way your skin will not be uneven. You use skin bleaching, skin brightening, skin lightening, skin whitening products for a long period of time. That extra layer that is outside that gives our skin that strength. Do you see how I'm pulling my skin? Some people's skin is so thin, if they have a single cut, it becomes very, very hard for it to heal because the epidermal layer is extremely delicate. So when they do have accidents, they have terrible issues with their skin healing. Includes green veins, varicose veins, odd stretch marks, cellulite in odd areas, thin skin, redness, sunburn, irritation. Now let me teach you guys common DIYs and remedies and products, your symptoms that I mentioned when it comes to skin bleaching. Number one, baby oils with mineral oil. Before I even start talking about the products and the things that you need to start using, some people are not going to follow my advice. And like, you asked me to use it, but I'm getting darker. You are not getting darker. Let me solve it for you. When you start approaching and using all these remedies that I've described, you cannot avoid darkening. It is going to happen. And it is not even darkening. It is going back to its natural resident complexion. You are the one telling yourself a lie by looking 2 shades fairer than you actually are, because you are not. Okay? So the first remedy is to use a baby oil for a long period of time. I'm talking 3 to 6 months, something with petrolatum or mineral oil. The next one is aloe vera gel. Now you can use aloe vera just as an essence. If you have the irritation in your face area, just use it all over your face. The next one is hyaluronic acid. What that is going to do is to add enough moisture. Skin whitening and skin lightening products dry out the skin. You need to add back that moisture to your face, okay? Next is skin moisturizing lotions with skin nourishing body butters and skin moisturizing body butters. Go back Fix your skin when it is on a good pedestal. Get your skin to have a clearer, brighter appearance. Do not attempt to do the two at the same time. Fix your skin first with aloe vera gel, care ingredients like honey, moisturizing body butters, baby oil, and give your skin a time and patience, and then watch as your skin starts to repair itself. The safe way to brighten up your skin. If you want to brighten your skin the safe way, there is a balance. In brightening, there is no such thing as I want to be 2 shades fairer. And that does not work in a good, safe skin brightening practice. Okay, if you are trying to follow a safe skin brightening process, it will make me 2 shades lighter, it will make me 2 shades whiter. No, that is lightening, and that is possibly bleaching. Okay, so adjust your expectations and stop looking for something or a remedy or a shortcut to achieve and to fix that terrible issue. Low self-esteem manifests itself in different areas, and a lot of people think, oh, if I can but be 2 shades fairer, this guy will like me, and maybe people will think I am finer and I am better and I'm looking better and I have more money. No. First of all, you need to use antioxidants correctly. Secondly, you need to match it up with good moisturizing products. The next thing you need to just look out for is to your skin time, because it's not going to happen overnight. That is the difference between I want to whiten my skin. If you want to safely brighten up your skin, it might not even happen in 30 days. You need to start adjusting your expectations to, okay, in 3 months, in 6 months, and clearer, brighter appearance to it. If you guys enjoyed today's video and you found it very, very helpful, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Are you currently struggling? Do you fall prey to a skincare vendor online? I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much. Please make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.